a voice control home automation which is allowed to control the home appliances like TV, fridge and fan, etc. Also, you must be knowing about Siri, Alexa and Google Assistant.
It also provides home security and emergency system to be activated. Home automation is not just about the reduction of human effort, but it also saves your time and data. We can see it in a small modular NSI screen. It's connected with the Arduino, which gives a program which can be because of that we can connect it with mobile and tab, smartphone, laptop, anything. So we can control it with mobile. So we can functions of that are really now you can see that the light is on by the voice. Light on. Now the light is off by the voice.
Thank you. This robotic car controlled by mobile application through Wi-Fi network. We had built this robotic car with the help of the battery, PO motors and wireless controller.
Many industries use this robotic car like ISRO, NASA, DRDO, hospitals and even crucial military operations.
Let me show you the demo. Let me show you the demo of this robotic car.
This is